If your company is trying to improve performance in compliance and quality management, the following action items will help spur the necessary improvements. Start with building compliance and traceability into your production processes. Best-in-class manufacturers are 43% more likely than others to put programs and processes in place to build compliance and traceability of product genealogy into their production processes, enabling them to have critical information for improved decision-making, such as how products are manufactured, who worked on them, which components were used, and what assets or equipment were used. It is also important to put quality and compliance management on the executive agenda. Establishing executive focus is an imperative first step towards ensuring consumer safety and satisfaction. Best-in-class manufacturers are twice as likely as mediocre companies to establish this executive focus, allowing them to align management goals, objectives, and metrics across the different levels and groups within your company, and will ultimately result in greater buy-in from critical stakeholders. You should automate the collection of quality data across operations. By automating this process across the entire enterprise, it becomes possible to provide visibility for both leveraging real-time and historical data for improved real-time decision-making. You should also work to effectively leverage cross-functional continuous improvement teams focused on product quality and compliance. In the absence of a cross-functional team with enterprise-wide responsibility, it would be challenging, if not impossible, to drive towards consensus around key capabilities required to manage initiatives across an organization in today's global manufacturing environment. It is equally important to identify gaps in your technology stack and focus on extending and integrating specific technology enablers. Best-in-class manufacturers in this category are more likely to have adopted technology across the overall technology stack. It is important to have an accurate view of your organization's strength and weakness and address the weaknesses as quickly as possible. All of these investments will help your organization better manage quality and compliance processes. The key is extending these automated systems across the enterprise and integrating them with other applications. Finally, you need to embrace risk management as an emerging technology. This is one of the technology enablers most highly correlated with best-in-class performance, and surprisingly, only 17% of life science manufacturers have such a system implemented. Should you need more direction, the USDM team can offer insight on how to implement a truly integrated enterprise QMS, become more nimble, make informed decisions through visibility to key business metrics, management dashboards, and true quality indicators of enterprise performance, and can repurpose headcount from policing functions to innovation. USDM leverages an experienced delivery team, proven methodologies, and best practices validation documentation to provide our life science customers a rapid, cost-effective approach to implementing, configuring, validating, integrating, and supporting your QMS. USDM's content expertise includes quality management, document management, records management, resource planning, manufacturing planning, electronic submissions, and integrating these systems across your company enterprise. Our delivery approach begins with a detailed project plan and proven methodology to drive activities like server sizing and hardware requirements, configuration, training, validation, and data migration. In as little as 4 to 6 months, USDM can deliver a fully implemented and validated production QMS system. Our skilled quality management experts and business analysts ensure that the final solution is tailored to your specific needs and will advance you to a state of operational excellence.